Ndamugeithia amaitwo njĩtagwo Janet, ndakũrire na Kelvin Jamuhuri. Ikweta kwari ikuto ndirĩ fluent, so forgive me. The late Kelvin Moneki Wangui had a big heart with the most beautiful smile I've ever seen. Growing up, was full of adventure, laughter, and jokes. Having people around him is what he loved best. He loved life, and he would go out of his way to help anyone in need. Today is guaranteed, tomorrow isn't. And through every dark night, there is a bright day after. You're gone but never forgotten. Forever in our hearts until we meet again. Rest easy, Kenge. Our beloved friend, you may have left us too soon, but your loving presence will endure forever in our hearts and souls. We will keep the memory of you alive and cherish the moments we spent together. And remembering your legacy always, we honor and cherish your memory, our beloved friend. I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who supported us through these hard times until we meet again. And also, I would want to take this opportunity to thank Clean Googie because we would have not reached here. Now, our family Korea online. Clean Googie, thank you so much for standing with us through this difficult time. And above all, to the NGAI nigwo. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Janet, for your tribute. A tribute is an acknowledgement of gratitude because